Bundle. A collection of things wrapped or tied together. I bought a bundle of rope from this shop. We put the whole bundle of sticks into the car. Dangle. To hang or swing loosely, often so that it can move freely. He is dangling the carrot in front of the rabbit. I dangled the money in front of her for the project. Edible. Something that is safe or suitable to eat. There are some edibles in the fridge. I bought some edible items for kids. Fable. A short story that teaches a moral or lesson, often with animals as characters. We watched a short fable on TV. My mother is telling me a fable. Fondle. To touch or handle something or someone in a gentle, loving, or sometimes inappropriate way. He fondled the cat. She is fondling her pregnant belly. Gobble. To eat something quickly and eagerly, often in a messy or noisy way. He is gobbling his food. Don't gobble your food, you'll get indigestion. Grapple. To struggle or fight with someone physically. To deal with or try to overcome a problem or difficult situation. They grappled in the ring last night. She is grappling with the complex situation. Heckle. To interrupt a speaker or performer with rude or aggressive comments or questions. He heckled me at the meeting. They want to heckle him in front of the audience. illegible, text or handwriting that is too unclear or messy to read. Can you write again it? It's illegible. I read it, but there were some illegible words at the bottom of the page. Jostle. To push, shove, or bump against someone roughly, usually in a crowd. He jostled us during the play. I am not jostling you to get a better view of the game. Pebble. A small smooth round stone. I want to drop a pebble from the bridge. He collected some shiny pebbles from the beach. Ripple. A small wave or series of waves on water. The pebble made ripples in the pond when I threw it in. It was created ripples in the pond. Rumble. A low, continuous, and often loud noise, like thunder or traffic. The thunder was rumbling before raining. I'm so hungry, my stomach's rumbling. Shackle. A device used to chain or restrain someone or something, like handcuffs or chains. To restrict, confine, or limit someone's freedom. The police shackled him in the van. I feel shackled by my massive debt. Squabble. To argue in a noisy way about something that is not very important. The two sisters are squabbling over a toy. The baby cats squabble on the couch every afternoon. Strangle. To squeeze someone's throat tightly so they cannot breathe. He wanted to strangle the other. I strangled her during the fight. Trounce. To defeat someone decisively or by a large margin. They trounced their rivals 5-0 in the hockey game. I will trounce my opponent in the chess match. Wholesome. Something that is good for you, healthy, or morally good. These foods are very wholesome. Swimming is a wholesome both the body and mind. Wrinkle. A small line or fold on the skin or fabric. I'm starting to get wrinkles at the corners of my eyes. My shirt is wrinkled, so I need to iron it.